Well, to mask or not to mask, that really shouldn't be a question anymore. Covering our nose and mouth does reduce the risk of spreading COVID-19 to other people. Health officials around the world all agree that wearing a non-medical mask in situations when we can't be physically distant from other people is one of the key ways of limiting a new pandemic surge. But there's a great deal of misleading information out there that some people are latching onto as an excuse not to put on a mask. So we sent our Jeff Semple on a myth-busting mission about masks.
It's fast become a familiar sight. Across the country, marches against mandatory masks.
I'm just tired of all the conflicting information that we're getting from different sources.
And he's not wrong. A quick search online turns up a ton of conflicting claims. Warnings that masks weaken your immune system, increase toxins and carbon dioxide, and decrease oxygen, causing brain damage, even death.
That really doesn't make any biological sense to me. And it's ironic because actually COVID does decrease oxygen absorption. COVID causes brain damage.
So this is an oxygen sat probe.
We put that theory to the test, checking my oxygen levels while wearing a surgical mask, then a regular cloth mask, and finally, a medical-grade N95 mask.
And 100%. As you can see, the oxygen saturation doesn't change whatever mask you're wearing.
I even tried wearing all three masks simultaneously.
At 99% with all three masks.
I'm not comfortable, but...
I know.
Dr. Thasleem Nimji and her colleagues wear masks all day, every day.
For long procedures, surgeons and those in the room are wearing masks and able to perform your surgery without any concern about their own safety.
On this Canadian Facebook page, users share tips on how to circumvent mandatory masks and claim the virus can easily slip through the cracks. COVID-19 is indeed tiny, around 0.1 microns, but it doesn't travel solo. The particle attaches itself to a much larger droplet or aerosol, and studies have shown that good quality cotton masks prevent more than 85% of those particles from escaping.
The key is also the material. If you do them like a two-layer cotton-based fabric mask, would offer quite a good protection.
Scarves and t-shirts are thought to be less effective, but experts admit there's still much they don't know.
We're still exploring the efficacy of masks as a strategy to stop the spread of COVID-19. And when you have uncertain science, it can be more difficult to pass on to the public a clear message.
What is clear is that the benefits of masks far outweigh the risks, and in the absence of a vaccine, could be our best weapon. Jeff Semple, Global News, Toronto.